Hello, welcome to lesson 2 of developing Blazor Web Assembly apps with Radzen. In this second lesson, I shall be looking at progressive web apps. In this lesson, I shall be offering progressive web app support. So I'm going to start Radzen. So I'm going to open the application we are currently working on, which is CA app. I'm going to close this dialog. Now, in order to enable progressive web app support, I'll go to settings. I'm going to check progressive web application, and I'll click save. After that, I'm going to click run. So I'm about to run the app in Brave browser. The app is currently loading. But note that I've been given the option to install the app in Brave browser. So to install the app, I'll click on install app. Install app, CA app, I'm going to say install. Now after installing the app, it opens in a window of its own. I can close the Brave browser. So it opens the window of its own. I can uninstall the app. I can open it in Brave. I'm not going to do all that for now. Let me log in. I'm typing password of username of admin and password of admin. So I click login. Save password. So to sign out, go to this place and click log out. So in this tutorial, we have just seen how to enable progressive web apps in Radzen Blazor. Thank you for watching.